Hey guys, it's Mrs. Shalorme again. Today we're going to talk about populations, samples, and bias samples and questions. I want to kind of just dive into this because it is kind of a lengthier lesson, but pretty simple. So, samples and surveys. When you go to survey a population, typically the population is very, very large. So, the population is the entire group that you want considered for the survey. So because you don't want to survey the entire population, for example, if I wanted to survey the school and ask their favorite subject, I'm not going to ask every single student in Newark Charter because there are way too many students. So I'm going to find a sample population, so a small group of students in the school, which is a big group, and I'll ask them and then use the regulations of the whole school to survey. There's different surveys that you do. So here there's a rim sample. That maybe I will just ask them, that would be completely different. So if objectives are an APA, are most convenient to me. Self-selected cafeteria. And so we're going to go through it. So the manager of a company provides the sampling method, a list of all employees. This is the best method to use. Everyone has an equal, that's perfect. This is the one that we always want. 50 employees as they are at the office. This is convenient. Hours, there's 50 people to walk through the door. That's very convenient. C, the manager places a stack of company cafeteria. Oh, that's self-selected because they can, and I told you, the personally percent surveyed every 20th student method. So this one here is the best random student. A systematic approach, but it is random. Keith is convenient. Is it? You can use Keith's method. However, you want to use the best method, random. We're going to use sampling method to compare samples. So about 22% of the U.S. households. Ryland surveys a sample of households from 2 towns. They're the samples with the national percent. So the national per fish. Okay. In town A, 25 people have not. In town B, 55 people. So for each sample, of each is 22%. So the number of people who own fish, out of a full 100, add 25 plus 75 is 100, is 25. That's pretty close to the 9%. 55 divided by the 100 is 55% pair. So better represents the noun than the national samples and questions. In Richmond, Virginia, those are just the honor. Here you're going to determine if this chooses 80 customers, they're happy with their service. Because it's a random sample. That's what we want people to leave a theater production biased. And B, you're going to say don't like a performance as soon as it ends. Because again, typically when people that were friends are watching, a sample every 10th person people to a certain answer. This is not biased. This now or is tiny comma. This question, because people to choose it's described as location, it's described as being compact. Okay, so they were more appealing for the screen or an old small because they used old and small Friday. The other, there's no description. We need to know if the survey question is biased. So we'll look at an example. Visitors outside of the monkey house, and the car monkeys. Is it biased? It's people outside the monkey. Monkey. I want to get perfect question. Biased. Okay, so you have to have them are biased. I hope this helps. Now, please email me. I'm here to help you. Have a great day.